The 2015 Kia Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, iPod adapter, heated steering wheel, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, heated front seats, trip computer, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console. Come see the car for yourself.